Yes guys, I'm back on the channel. Just a quick one now. Yeah, I've just been cutting through the portway, and I've obviously come across the old woodpecker pub, which is currently being closed down and abandoned. Again, stick to the usual rule. I won't enter the premises. Obviously it doesn't look safe, as you can see. And yeah, and hope you enjoy the footage guys. So we'll take a little tour around. Presume this was one of your entrances, maybe the first entrance. Um, oh no, that's the back entrance. So that obviously around there will be your front entrance. So take a little tour. Got the front here. Okay, so we've just come off the portway now, guys, and we've just been passing this pub which was open years back, and obviously it does look like it's been abandoned for a while now. As you can see here, guys, we've got all the windows boarded still. Still got the original curtains in there, and there's the woodpecker sign. So obviously, if we go over this big mountain of stone, it's not a little mooch across it. Yeah, and yeah, definitely doesn't look safe to go indoors. Check out inside. But yeah, if we get a little backup footage here, show you guys from a distance. There we go. And then obviously the front of the woodpecker is here, and that was the back that I'm just showing you. We've got a couple of broken windows, which is standard as it's empty, and there's boarded windows. Now if you come round here just a little bit, obviously you can't get through there because it's obviously blocked off. But this is the back part. This is the back entrance to it, as you can see. And then this was the front garden to it. I presume that would have been the beer garden at the back. We'll go around now and have a quick look there. Yeah, so you've got your old woodpecker pub, guys. And I'm not too sure whether there's any ghosts around here, but I'm getting that vibe. Getting a mad vibe of spirit in here. So we're just gonna stroll back round the back. Obviously, trying not to get these people walking by and I don't know whether they want him or whatever. But yeah, them curtains make me fucking scared there, mate. The scary them curtains. Just the fact that the curtains are still in the build. But yeah, if we go back round this side now, I'm going to check out round the back before obviously make my way out of here. I just don't want anyone to phone the police or whatever. Even though I'm not entering the building, it's still one of them things that people might phone the police. So I would presume this was his car park. So this was the car park, guys. The back here. Obviously the back of the woodpecker was the car park. So yeah. We don't need to get over the fence footage on this one. Dude, we can just pop in here. Have a little look. There you go. Let's have a nosy around here. I don't know what this bit is here. Oh, I presume it was just a storage for where the obviously stored a lot of stuff. But that creepy decoration there in the corner. Yeah, that's creeping me out, mate. Yeah. Yeah, it's just so creepy out there. Keep going, guys. Yeah, so that's it, the woodpecker, guys. That was obviously a quick one. I wasn't planning on coming in here, but yeah, because I seen it was empty, abandoned, and whatever, falling apart. Thought I'd come and check it out, guys. But yeah, I'm heading to the next location, so I'll catch you guys there. take it easy for now, guys. See you on the next one.